再来看今年初，美国洛杉矶外海边的太平洋山坎社区大火，造成12个人死亡，有几千栋厝烧掉。检调总是宣布讲，抓到一个29岁西武部的司机涉嫌放火。
发生伫9月前的这场野火，和太平洋段内社区到即马已完4月拢暂破，真侪家庭住伫咧临时厝或者是亲友的厝内，中间的进度正慢，心内创伤是更加搁较歹恢复。即马检方宣布，年初这场造成12个人死亡的大火，确定是恶意放火，嫌犯是29岁 Uber 司机。
I lost absolutely everything. Everything, you know, and people don't think about the little things. Your favorite Christmas ornament that you got 40 years ago when one of the babies was born, or all the letters they wrote me from camp.
联邦检察官讲，嫌犯伫咧看立案，再人起诉了，登去太平洋断崖，暗时行伫咧研究报道，伫附近的山顶用手机翕，敢若是伊点火影片，了无久火就烧起来。所来1礼拜，火伫涂骹翕烧，一个吹彻透强风，火规个团开，将做洛杉矶这几年来上有毁灭性的城市周边野火之一。
The complaint unsealed today charges the defendant with destruction of property by means of fire, a felony that carries a mandatory minimum 5-year federal prison sentence and is punishable by up to 20 years in federal prison.
检察官讲，嫌犯打电话报案的时阵，也搁用手机问 ChatGPT， 讲若是因为烟引起火灾，敢是算家己唔对。经过9个月调查，检察官掌握证据，包括嫌犯的手机录影、通话记录、GPS 定位，也搁用 ChatGPT 形成的一张城市导火图片。当局讲，虽然起诉无法度救回受害者家财产，也搁抓到嫌犯，至少讨到正义。
Through this extraordinary team effort, investigators determined that the Palisades fire reported on January 7th was caused by an intentionally set fire near a viewpoint along the Temescal Ridge Trail into Pegna State Park on January 1st.
野火造成12人死亡，真侪人的厝被烧害。即马嫌犯被起诉，虽然无法度安打心内疼，也毋过对于幸存者来讲，是重建甲复原的重要一步。当地民众讲，希望审判的过程会当互受害者甲家属一个交代，也希望社区会当赶紧行出阴影。公司新闻张伟林编辑。